Look, every founder out there knows the grind, the sleepless nights pitching, the gut punch of rejection after rejection. Investors, you're no strangers to the weight of the decisions that could make or break careers, companies, even lives. And right now, there's this massive question burning under your skin. What happens when AI steps into the funding game? Will it replace the human gut, the instinct, the experience? Will it strip away the chaos, the passion, the real intuition that decides who gets the shot and who gets shut out? That tension you're feeling? It's real. It's terrifying. Because nobody wants to be sidelined by a machine that just crunches numbers or patterns without understanding the fire behind those numbers. But here's the ugly truth. They won't replace everything, not if you fight back smarter. AI will change the game, 100%. It will speed up decisions, filter the noise, catch risks faster than any human could. The trap is thinking you can sit still and win. AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't get tired or fooled by the same old pitches that humans get tricked by. So step 1. Stop thinking AI is just some tool sitting on your desk like a calculator. It's a storm coming, and you'll either harness it or get swept away. Now don't panic. You can flip this. You must flip this. If you're a founder, you have to sharpen your focus on the context AI can't touch yet. Story, vision, culture, grit. Machines don't feel the hunger in your voice, the crazy obsession that drives you to build when everyone else says no. Your job isn't to compete with AI's speed. It's to own the deeply human stuff that AI can't measure. Trust, resilience, the messy network of relationships that make projects fly. But here's the kicker. You have to get better at showing this. If your pitch is just numbers and buzzwords, AI will out-analyze you and shut the door. Be brutally clear about why you, your team, and your vision are the real deal, beyond spreadsheets. Investors, stop worshipping the spreadsheet and start questioning the data. Because AI will give you more data than you can chew. Decision paralysis will get worse before it gets better. Step 2 for you. Learn to filter like a sniper. Train yourself on what AI can miss. The intangibles in founders, in markets, in timing. Feel the difference between a founder who's coached and polished versus the one who's pulled themselves up through sheer will. Invest in the human factors that AI can't code. And here's a strong tip. Build your network, not just wider, but deeper. Connect with those who don't just guess numbers, but know people and trends in ways AI can't scan. A powerful network is your shield against AI's cold calculations. And to both sides, here's the part most people won't say. You need to force collaboration with AI, not fight it. Don't pretend you're above it or that it's just hype. Get ahead by using AI for what it does best. Pattern recognition, risk assessment, data crunching, in a way that frees you to focus on strategy, creativity, and connection. Be obsessed with mastering the balance. Let AI slash the noise and complexity, but you own the decision. If you cede full control, you lose everything. If you reject AI completely, you get left behind. This is a brutal moment where human flaws become a strength. The real moves are made when you're willing to be vulnerable, to admit you don't know everything, to lean on AI's firepower, but lead with your grit and judgment. Raise the bar on your own learning so fast that AI can't catch you. Understand what drives people, markets, trends, things no algorithm can nail perfectly. Use every failure as a data point beyond the AI data's reach. You want to win in crowdfunding? Make AI your edge, not your threat. Push your thinking beyond the obvious, beyond what AI spits out. Align with the rare people who think this way, not the crowd. Build alliances where data meets raw human insight, where speed meets substance, where risk meets empathy. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about evolving what humans bring. Smarter, fiercer, more connected than ever. If you're just playing safe, wondering if AI will take your job or kill your dream, you're already losing. But if you decide right now to own this moment, step into this new reality with grit suffocating fear, and lock in the things only humans can give, then trust, you'll not just survive, you'll reshape what comes next. AI and funding isn't the end of the human touch. It's the start of the brutal, exciting fight to prove why that touch still matters. Don't back down. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.